This video is only for entertainment purpose. Please don't try. The channel and the experimenter is not responsible in case of any accident while imitating. Nobody is harmed during making of this video.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am not going to do any experiment or going to do any chemical reaction. But in this video, I am going to show you that what is inside a 9-volt battery, and I am going to tell you that how it works. But before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon beside it. Let's start the video. Friends, first let us open a cell of 1.5 volt, because when we come to know that how a cell works, then it will be quite or far better easy to know that how a battery works. So let us open a cell first. Friends, now we have opened a cell from its outer cover and it is covered with a polythene. It is the positive terminal and it is the negative terminal. Let's remove this polythene and let's see what is inside it. Friends, I have opened this polythene, and inside the polythene I will observe this type of a shell. You can see here the bottom edge has opened and this edge will also open, you can see here. And if we remove this, after removing this, we can observe here like this, it is like here. Now we can notice that this is a zinc container and this is a carbon rod. This works as the both the positive and the negative terminal, it will connect together, and by this we will get the energy from this cell. Friends, in the cell we will get the energy by the chemical energy source. This I have told you before that this is the carbon rod, and you are looking here the skin color one. This is known as electrolyte. This electrolyte is ammonium chloride, and inside this there will be a paste of magnesium oxide. I will try to show you. Friends, after removing the electrolyte ammonium chloride, we are noticing the black type of powder. You can see here, wait. This is the energy source. This is known as magnesium oxide. I will open it completely from the container and I will show you. Friends, this is the carbon rod. I have removed it from this. This is the black powder which we have noticed inside this. This is the magnesium oxide. The reaction with the ammonium chloride of this magnesium oxide produces energy, and this is transported to both positive and negative terminal by the carbon rod, and when we will connect the wire to the both positive and negative terminal, our energy passes through the wire and the bulb or the something which we want, that will glow. This is the working of the cell. Now let us move on to our topic, that is what is inside a 9-volt battery. Friends, we have opened a 9-volt battery, and this is the top outermost cover of the 9-volt battery, and this is the bottom cap. We don't want this, let's throw it. Now you can see here this cap and the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. These are interconnected here. You can see here, this is the metal strip. This transports the current from positive to the negative terminal. Okay friends, I have forgot to say you that these both positive and negative conductors were made from brass metal. These both are in the shell also, they were also brass. Now let us look about these cells. There are totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 cells, means 1.5 volt one cell. 1.5 into 6 is equals to 9, so this battery becomes 9 volt. This is covered with the polythene. Let's open this polythene and let's see what is inside it. Friends, these are the 6 cells. You can see here there are 6 cells. This is also a carbon plate. This is the carbon plate, uh, which we have seen in the cells. There will be a carbon cells at the end of every cell to connect each and every 6 cells. So there was a carbon rod in the cell, and here there is a carbon plate. And this black powder, here you can see, this is the magnesium oxide, and due to the chemical energy, we will get the energy from this cell. And this is the electrolyte ammonium chloride, which it was in also cell. It was also in the cell and produces the energy at the uppermost. You can see here, this is the brass coating. Here also, there is a brass coating, and this is also brass. This works, one works as the positive and another works as a negative. Okay friends, this is what inside a 9 volt battery. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and share the videos link to your friends, and please subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.